Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your n8n account. So this is my n8n account, and right now I didn't find any option here to delete my n8n account. So finally I found an option where I can delete my account manually. So first we need to go to our mail and then go to compose. Now to here type the n8n support mail. Subject line, here write a subject line: Dear n8n support team, I hope this message find you well. I would like to request the deletion of my n8n account, and this is the mail. And finally just click on send, and there you go. Now they will review your account, and then your account will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your n8n account. Hope that this video help you out. Thanks for watching.